PayPal REST API uses a secure authentication system based on credentials that identify and authorize your application to access PayPal services. The client ID is a public identifier for your application. It's safe to include in client side code and serves as your app's unique identity within PayPal's system. The client secret is a private key that must be kept secure and used only on your server. Never expose this secret in client side code, as it provides full access to your PayPal application. These credentials work together in an OAuth authentication flow. Your application uses the client ID and secret to request access tokens from PayPal's authorization server. Access tokens are temporary credentials with a typical validity of 9 hours. These tokens are used to authenticate your API requests to PayPal services. PayPal provides separate environments for development and production. Sandbox credentials are used for testing, while live credentials are used for actual transactions. Each environment has its own set of client ID and secret. In the PayPal developer dashboard, you can easily switch between sandbox and live credentials. Each environment maintains completely separate client IDs and secrets for security isolation. Remember, always keep your client secret secure, use environment variables for credential storage, and never expose secrets in client-side code. These credentials are the foundation of secure PayPal API integration. Now we'll walk through the exact steps to retrieve your PayPal API credentials from the developer dashboard. Step 1. Navigate to developer.paypal.com and log in with your PayPal account credentials. You'll need an existing PayPal account to access the developer dashboard. Step 2. Once logged in, locate and click on My Apps and Credentials in the left navigation menu. This section contains all your API applications and their associated credentials. Step 3. You can either create a new REST API application by clicking the Create App button, or select an existing application from your list. For new integrations, you'll typically want to create a new app. Step 4. When creating a new app, choose Merchant as your account type if you need payment processing capabilities. This gives you access to the full range of PayPal's payment APIs. Step 5. Choose your environment. Select Sandbox for testing and development, or Live for production. The Sandbox environment provides test accounts and fake money for safe testing. Step 6. Once your app is created, you'll see your client ID and client secret displayed in the dashboard. Copy both values carefully. The client ID is public and safe to use in client-side code, but keep your client secret private and secure. Important security reminder: never expose your client secret in client-side code or public repositories. Store it securely as an environment variable on your server. Your client ID can be safely used in front-end applications, but the client secret must remain private.